painting and unboxing this beautiful nail JODSONE set. Look at all the beautiful colors. Dryer with, and here's the lamp with all of the lights under with the buttons. Cuticle oil and this thing to pump the oil to come out from the tip of the brush. Filer. Nail clippers. These that nail remover wipes. Oh, neat. If you want a French tip, these are little stickers for a French tip. Nail designs. Brush. 5 filers. Cuticle cutter. Beautiful 2 layers of colors. Here's the first layer. Second layer. And it comes with 2 base coats, 2 top coats. Matte coat. So this is the entire set. Comes with all of these beautiful colors. It has on and off. And then you could do 5 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds. It's nice. It has LED lights all around and on top. So cool. I'm excited to use this. It smells like nail polish remover.
Everything. All the conscience. Maybe the blue one.
Oh, yes. So much colors to choose from. Yes, let's do it.
Wow.
So we're going to follow these steps.
Perfect. Mama, where should I put this? And now we need.
Second coat.
And I'll take.
Cuticle oil. The oil smells so good. So good.